Hi everyone, welcome to level 6 of our Business Analyst crash course. In this level, we introduce database and basics, especially SQL. So this is not coding, but understanding how the data is stored and used behind the UI. Okay. So main expectation of this level, every time a user enters data on a screen, that data is saved somewhere, right? So as a business analyst, you don't need to be database expert, but you must understand where the data comes from. That's the main goal, okay? And from and where it goes. This helps you ask right questions and avoid data-related defects. Worksheet. So we can install something in SQL browser, SQLite, or any other client tools, and we can play around whatever you are providing in front end. We can come and verify using this SQLite browser. Okay, so today here you can see this is simple UI client. These are some tables you can see, right? So similar to that one, we can do during our worksheet exercise. Okay, so let me go back to this one. Here, worksheet is, in this worksheet, we look at the simple customer table used for the loan application. Students are asked to map UI fields like name and email to database column, right? So you can map to database column. This trains you think beyond the screen and understand the data layer. Okay, so sample mapping UI field email, database column is email ID. Okay, so must be unique, cannot be null. So when you do your exercise, you will understand. Okay. So these are some basic queries we will do during our worksheet practice. We introduce SQL concept at very high level. Select means reading data, insert means saving data, update means modifying the data, deleting means removing the data. So the focus on what happens, not how write to code. Okay, that's the main important thing, part of this level. Okay, and also data validation rule. This slide like shows common data validation rules. For example, a credit score must be numeric, and date of birth cannot be future date. These rules protect data quality and system reliability. So these are all applied in database. Okay, so the key lesson is here: the API, UI, and database must stay in sync. When BAs understand data, they reduce defects and improve communication with developers and testers. Okay, so the next step, this is just one worksheet from level 6. In the full program, you can practice this concept daily, and you can take the action to move to the next level, which is API system and communication. All right, thanks guys.